Sometimes the hardest person to speak kindly to is yourself.
You make one mistake and your mind says, I'm not good enough.
You forget one English word and your mind says, I will never improve.
You look at other people and think they are better than me.
But today, we will practice a different kind of English.
Different how?
English that helps you speak kindly to yourself.
Emma, I need this. Sometimes I speak to myself in a very hard way.
Many people do, Leo.
If my friend makes a mistake, I say, it's okay. But if I make a mistake, I say, what is wrong with me?
Exactly. Today, we will change that.
So this is English practice, but also confidence practice?
Yes. Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will know simple English phrases to love yourself, encourage yourself, and keep going. Today, we will use a simple self-kindness path.
A self-kindness path?
Yes. Notice the hard thought. Change the sentence. Accept mistakes. Say one good thing. Take one small step.
Notice the hard thought. Change the sentence. Accept mistakes. Say one good thing. Take one small step.
Good. This path helps you talk about self-love in simple English.
Self-love sounds big.
It does, but it can be simple.
What does self-love mean in easy English?
It means you treat yourself with kindness, respect, and patience.
Kindness, respect, and patience.
Exactly.
So self-love does not mean I am perfect.
Right. It means I am human and I am still worthy. Let's start with the first phrase.
Okay.
I am learning to be kind to myself.
I am learning to be kind to myself.
Good. Notice the words I am learning.
Why are those words important?
Because you do not need to be kind to yourself perfectly today.
So even self-love can be something I learn?
Exactly.
I am learning to be kind to myself, even when I make mistakes.
Beautiful.
That sounds much better than I should be perfect.
Yes. Let's replace that sentence.
Okay. Old sentence. I should be perfect.
New sentence. I am allowed to be a learner. Let's practice a real moment.
Okay, Emma.
Leo, you made a small mistake while speaking English. What does your mind say?
My English is terrible. I always make mistakes.
Pause. That is the hard thought.
Yes, it feels normal in my head.
Now change the sentence.
I made a mistake, but I can try again.
Excellent.
I made a mistake, but I can try again.
That sentence does not attack you.
It gives me another chance.
Exactly. Self-love often begins with a better sentence.
I am learning to be kind to myself.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about the voice in your mind.
The voice in my mind?
Yes, the way you speak to yourself inside.
Oh, mine is sometimes like a strict teacher with no coffee.
That is a very clear image.
Yes, very strict, very tired, very angry.
Let's teach that voice a better phrase.
Please.
Slow. I can speak to myself like a friend.
I can speak to myself like a friend.
If your friend made a mistake, would you say, you are useless?
No, never.
Then why say that to yourself?
That is true.
Try this.
I can speak to myself like a friend.
Let's change hard sentences into kind sentences.
Okay.
I need this exercise.
Hard sentence. I am so bad at English.
Kind sentence? I am still learning English.
Good. Hard sentence. Everyone is better than me.
Kind sentence? I am learning at my own pace.
Excellent. Hard sentence. I always fail.
Kind sentence. I am trying again.
Beautiful.
These sentences feel lighter.
Yes. Words can make your heart feel heavy or light.
So I should choose words that help me continue.
Exactly.
I am learning at my own pace.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are where I lose confidence.
Many learners feel that.
When I make one mistake, I forget all my progress.
So use this phrase. Mistakes are part of learning.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I do not need to be perfect.
I do not need to be perfect.
I can improve step by step.
I can improve step by step.
Good. These are confident sentences.
I like step by step. It feels possible.
Exactly. Growth does not happen all at once.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Let's practice after a mistake.
Okay.
Tell me about your morning.
This morning, I wake up early and make breakfast.
Good. Can you correct one part?
Oh no, I made a mistake.
That is okay. Use the phrase.
Mistakes are part of learning. Let me try again.
Good.
This morning, I woke up early and made breakfast.
Excellent.
I corrected myself without feeling terrible.
Exactly. That is self-love in action.
I made a mistake, but I kept speaking.
Perfect.
Emma, can I share a story?
Of course, Leo.
I once knew a man who wanted to learn English, but he was very hard on himself.
What did he say?
Every time he made a mistake, he said, "I'm stupid."
That is painful.
Yes, but he was not stupid. He was just learning.
What changed?
One day, his teacher asked, "Would you say that to a child who is learning?"
That is a strong question.
He said, "No, I would say, keep trying."
And then?
The teacher said, "Then say that to yourself."
Beautiful.
After that, he started saying, "Keep trying. You are learning."
That story is important.
Because he did not need more shame. He needed more kindness.
Exactly.
He was talking to himself like an enemy.
And he needed to talk to himself like a friend.
Keep trying. You are learning.
That is a beautiful phrase.
Can we make it even more personal?
Yes. I am proud of myself for trying.
I am proud of myself for trying.
Good. You do not need to wait for perfect results to feel proud.
That is hard for me.
Then practice it slowly.
I am proud of myself for trying.
Now let's learn how to talk about progress.
Okay.
I am getting better, little by little.
I am getting better little by little.
I am growing, step by step.
I am growing step by step.
I am not where I want to be yet, but I am moving.
I am not where I want to be yet, but I am moving.
Excellent.
That sentence feels honest. It does not pretend everything is perfect.
Yes, self-love is not pretending.
What is it then?
It is telling the truth with kindness.
The truth
with kindness.
Exactly. Let's practice talking about progress.
Okay.
How do you feel about your English these days?
I am not where I want to be yet, but I am moving.
That is a strong answer.
I am getting better little by little.
What are you proud of?
I am proud of myself for trying every day.
Beautiful.
Oh, that felt kind, but not fake.
Exactly. You're not saying, I am perfect.
I am saying I am trying.
Yes, and trying matters. If this lesson is helping you, like the video and keep practicing with us. Now, let's talk about comparing yourself to others.
This is dangerous for my confidence.
Very common.
I hear someone speak English well, and I think, I am so far behind.
Use this phrase. I am on my own journey.
I am on my own journey.
I do not need to compare my beginning to someone else's middle.
I do not need to compare my beginning to someone else's middle.
Excellent.
That sentence is a little longer, but very useful.
Yes. Let's say it in a simpler way, too.
Okay.
I am learning at my own pace.
I am learning at my own pace.
Let's compare 3 phrases.
I like this part.
I am learning is simple.
I am learning.
I am still learning shows progress is not finished.
I am still learning.
I am learning at my own pace means you're not comparing.
I am learning at my own pace.
Good. Now make a full answer.
I am still learning, and I am learning at my own pace.
Excellent.
I do not need to be perfect today.
Very good.
This sounds like English my heart needs.
That is exactly the goal. Now let's talk about caring for yourself.
How do I say that in simple English?
I need to take care of myself.
I need to take care of myself.
I need a little rest.
I need a little rest.
I need time to feel better.
I need time to feel better.
I should be kinder to myself.
I should be kinder to myself.
Good. These phrases are useful in real life.
Sometimes I feel guilty when I rest.
Many people do.
What can I say then?
Rest is part of progress.
Rest is part of progress.
Let's practice caring for yourself.
Okay.
You look tired today. Are you okay?
I feel tired, and I need a little rest.
That sounds wise.
I want to keep improving, but I also need to take care of myself.
Very good.
That does not sound lazy.
No, it sounds healthy and honest.
So, self-love can be a sentence like, I need rest?
Yes, sometimes self-love is very simple.
I need to take care of myself.
Excellent. Let's use a picture in your mind.
A picture?
Imagine you are a small plant.
A plant? Am I a very handsome plant?
Of course, Leo, a very handsome plant.
Good. Please continue.
A plant does not grow because you shout at it.
True.
It grows with light, water, time, and care.
So, I do not grow by attacking myself?
Exactly. You grow with patience and care.
I am like a plant. I need patience and care.
Beautiful.
If you remember one idea today, remember this. You do not grow by attacking yourself.
You grow by taking care of yourself.
Now, let's do a quick self-kindness quiz.
Okay, test me.
You make a mistake. What can you say?
I made a mistake, but I can try again.
Good. You are comparing yourself to others. What can you say?
I am learning at my own pace.
Excellent. You want to talk to yourself kindly. What can you say?
I can speak to myself like a friend.
Very good. You want to feel proud, even without perfect results. What can you say?
I am proud of myself for trying.
Perfect.
These phrases help me practice English and confidence.
Exactly. Now, let's do one full conversation.
Okay, I will use the self-kindness path.
Leo, how do you feel about your English these days?
Sometimes I feel frustrated because I still make mistakes.
What can you say to yourself in that moment?
I can say, I made a mistake, but I can try again.
Good. Do you compare yourself to other people?
Yes, sometimes, but I am learning at my own pace.
Beautiful.
I am not where I want to be yet, but I am moving.
What are you proud of?
I am proud of myself for trying.
That is self-love in English.
Simple words, but they help.
Let's review the self-kindness path.
I'm ready.
First, notice the hard thought.
My mind says, I am not good enough.
Second, change the sentence.
I am still learning.
Third, accept mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Fourth, say one good thing.
I am proud of myself for trying.
Fifth, take one small step.
I can practice one sentence today.
Excellent.
Self-love is not saying I am perfect. It is saying I am worth kindness.
Perfect. That is the message. Before we finish, remember the plant.
A plant does not grow because you shout at it.
It grows with light, water, time, and care.
And I do not grow by attacking myself.
Exactly.
I grow with patience and care.
Yes.
Now practice in the comments.
Write one kind sentence to yourself in English.
You can write, I am proud of myself for trying.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
We practice English for real life, real feelings, and real confidence.
Today, you learned how to love yourself in English.
I can say, I am learning to be kind to myself.
Good.
I can say, I made a mistake, but I can try again.
Yes.
I can say, I am learning at my own pace.
Very useful.
I can say, I am proud of myself for trying.
Excellent.
I do not need to be perfect to be worthy of kindness.
Exactly. You are learning. You are growing. And you deserve patience.
Speak to yourself like a friend.
And keep growing. One kind sentence at a time.